Welcome to Syeadh Academy. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems or machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It involves the creation of algorithms and models that enable machines to learn, reason, and make decisions autonomously, without being explicitly programmed for each specific task. Artificial intelligence aims to replicate and simulate human intelligence in machines, allowing them to perceive and understand their environment, learn from experience, and make informed decisions or take actions to achieve specific goals. It encompasses a wide range of subfields, techniques, and applications. Artificial intelligence encompasses a wide range of subfields and techniques, including 1. Machine learning. 2. Deep learning. 3. Natural language processing. 4. Computer vision. 5. Robotics and automation. 6. Expert systems. 7. Reinforcement learning. 8. Generative adversarial networks. 9. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. 10. Artificial intelligence ethics. Machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on algorithms and statistical models that allow computers to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It involves training models on large datasets to recognize patterns, make predictions, or perform tasks. Deep learning. Deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to extract high-level features and understand complex relationships in data. Deep learning has achieved remarkable success in areas such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Natural language processing. Natural language processing enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It involves tasks like language translation, sentiment analysis, chatbots, and voice recognition, enabling more natural and effective human-computer interaction. Computer vision. Computer vision focuses on enabling computers to gain a high-level understanding of visual information from images or videos. It involves tasks such as object recognition, image classification, image segmentation, and object tracking. Robotics and automation. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in robotics by enabling machines to perceive, reason, and make decisions in real-world environments. Robotic systems can leverage artificial intelligence algorithms to perform complex tasks autonomously or in collaboration with humans. Expert systems. Expert systems are artificial intelligence systems designed to mimic the decision-making process of human experts in specific domains. They use knowledge bases and inference engines to provide advice, solve problems, and make recommendations. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning involves training an artificial intelligence agent to learn from its interactions with an environment. The agent receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties based on its actions, allowing it to learn optimal strategies and make decisions accordingly. Generative adversarial networks. Generative adversarial networks are a type of deep learning model that consists of a generator and a discriminator. They work together in a competitive process, with the generator generating synthetic data, and the discriminator trying to distinguish between real and synthetic data. Generative adversarial networks have been used for tasks such as image synthesis, video generation, and data augmentation. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. Artificial intelligence is making significant contributions to healthcare, including medical image analysis, disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. It enables the analysis of vast amounts of patient data to improve diagnostics, treatment planning, and patient outcomes. Artificial intelligence ethics. With the growing impact of artificial intelligence on society, there is increasing focus on the ethical implications and responsible development and deployment of artificial intelligence systems. Artificial intelligence ethics addresses concerns such as bias in algorithms, transparency, privacy, accountability, and the impact of artificial intelligence on jobs and society. Artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving field with numerous applications across industries, and its potential for shaping the future is immense. Conclusion. While artificial intelligence offers numerous benefits and opportunities, it also presents challenges and ethical considerations. These include potential job displacement, data privacy concerns, bias in artificial intelligence decision-making, transparency and interpretability of artificial intelligence systems, and the responsible use of artificial intelligence in sensitive domains. The field of artificial intelligence continues to evolve rapidly, with ongoing research and development focused on advancing the capabilities, reliability, and ethical framework surrounding artificial